Have you ever seen a bird that has to perform a literal dance battle just to get a date? This is the bird of paradise, famous for its vibrant feathers and some of the most complex mating dances in the animal kingdom. These birds were once thought to be messengers from heaven because explorers rarely saw them land, giving them an almost mythical status. If a male's performance isn't perfect, he gets rejected instantly, proving that in the wild, style is everything. Which is exactly why